Come on.
What a boring game. Huh? What is this? It's a Beyblade. I wonder what it's called. I'm gonna call it Omega Dragonis. Let's do it! I'm gonna test your skills, Omega Dragonis. Let's go! 3, 2, 1. Let it rip! Yeah!
Oh, look, a blader. Hey, man, what the fuck?
Yeah, what do you want?
I'm gonna battle.
You want to battle?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
3,
3, 2, 1. Let it
rip!
get him! Omega Dragonis!
Go, Barriers!
We can do it! Come on, don't film me now!
Yes!